Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to archive chats on Telegram desktop. If your Telegram chat list is becoming crowded with many conversations, the archive feature can help you keep everything more organized. Archiving a chat allows you to remove it from your main chat list without deleting the conversation. This means you can keep the chat and its messages while moving it to a separate archived section. So let's get started. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer. Once Telegram is open, look at the chat list on the left side of the window. Now find the chat that you want to archive. You can archive a personal conversation, a group, or another chat that you do not want to see in your main chat list. Once you find the chat, right-click on it. A menu with several options will appear. From this menu, look for the Archive option. Click on Archive to move the selected chat to the archived section. Telegram will now remove the chat from your main chat list and move it to Archived Chats. You can access your archived conversations by opening the Archived Chats section. The chat and its messages will remain available inside the archive. Remember, archiving a chat is different from deleting a chat. When you archive a conversation, the chat is not permanently deleted. You can still open the conversation and view your previous messages whenever you want. If you want to bring the chat back to your main chat list, open Archive Chats. Find the conversation that you want to restore. Then, right-click on the chat and select the Unarchive option. Telegram will move the chat back to your regular chat list. This feature is useful when you want to organize your Telegram conversations without deleting important messages. You can archive old conversations, less important chats, or chats that you do not need to see every day. And that's how you can archive and unarchive chats on Telegram desktop. I hope this guide was helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Telegram tutorials and technology guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.